believe and we have expectation that in this universe everybody will behave in good way. There will be humanity. This is we have expectation. If I behave good with you, then you have to behave good with me. This is expectation. But remember that on this earth it is not possible. On this earth we come from the astral world to fulfill our egoistic desire. If you have godly desire, then you are prophet. If you are coming here to fulfill one aim, from birth, I want God, then you are messenger of God. Messenger of God means prophet. Other than that, you will not find anyone in the world who is taking birth in this world and not able to practice. You should not imagine that if anybody is here and you are having imagination, expectation, they will behave normally. It is not possible because they are coming here to fulfill their egoistic desire. What I want to eat now, I could not eat, I got diabetes. Then I died of diabetes. I went to the astral world. I will rebirth again in order to fulfill all desires of eating. In the same way, all desires, what we develop on the platform of all sense organ, hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell, we are coming back again and again to fulfill. But you should realize, by consuming the object of senses, we cannot fulfill desires. I want to eat this, eat that, keep on eating in all over the world, book your flight, enjoy all kind of food. One day you will find you cannot eat anything now. You have got blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, so many problems. Now diet is restricted. And we died because of that. The next life, you will come for the same. Or any kind of desire, which is called the desire based on the duality, beautiful, ugly, pain, pleasure, comfort, discomfort, good and bad. You are going to fulfill this dual desire, it is not going to happen. At the last, we will have frustration. Then we will leave body in the frustration. Then you are staying in the astral world, sometimes few hundred years, sometimes few thousand years, then we are born again to fulfill our desire on the platform of hearing. I want to play this music, that music. I want to become musician. I want to become artist. So many desires. Again we are coming to fulfill that desires, but believe you cannot fulfill it. Again you will meet frustration. If due to any reason you are here, then try to remember this. Fulfill your desires in this life. How to feel oneness with God. When you are trying in this, you will realize all desires get fulfilled. The most royal way means you will experience taste without eating. You will listen music without any tools. You will see the whole universe without opening the eyes. You will experience all fragrances of all creations of the cosmos without meeting each and every creation. Whatever desires we have, we will fulfill it with no complication. Then let us decide again in this life. Our desire is to be one with God. And who is God? Do not imagine that you are going to form God in the visual forms. Yes, it will come. If Krishna is coming with the flute, if Jesus is coming with the cross, if Hanuman is coming with the gada, or anything, if that manifests in front of you, that is your power is manifesting in the form of Ganesh, Hanumanji, Jesus Christ, Buddha, Ram and Krishna. But his real form is formless. Suppose that I see, imagine that I am Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Oh, I talk to the goddess. Oh, goddess is here. So beautiful, so good. Conversation between me and goddess. That is the internal consciousness of Ramakrishna Paramahansa is manifesting in the form of goddess. At last he realized God is only one who is formless omnipresence, and who are born as prophets, they are messengers of God. Raman, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Mahavir Swami, Kabir Das, Nanak Dev Ji, all are messenger of the God. Therefore, let us feel oneness with God. And how will feel oneness with God? You have got the biggest tool, head to toes. Learn science of love with the self. As you start loving yourself, do not have expectation, my husband does not love, or my wife does not love, or my children are bad, they don't care me, or my mother is so selfish, she is loving that child more, not me. Do not have these thoughts. Learn how to love yourself, that's all. Moment to learn how to love yourself, you will be relieved. Then you will realize whole cosmos is loving you in their own way. Viruses are loving me in their own way. Viruses enters inside to activate vital system. Bacteria becomes active inside to increase vitality. Everybody is loving every creation, loving me in their own way. But I don't love myself, then their love never have any good result. Try to remember it. Therefore, try to understand this. Kriyaga science is the greatest science. It teaches how to love your own self. Then you will realize what Krishna was teaching. Atmanyo atmana tushtha isthitya pragya taduchyate. Means if I am satisfied within my own, then my wisdom will be stable. If wisdom will be stable, then we will realize God has become all. Therefore, do not have expectation from anyone in the world that your mother or father or wife or husband or children or friend will love you. Have only expectation from the prophet, from the greatest master, like Lahiri Maharshey, Samyukteswar Giri, Paramahansa Yogananda, or anybody like them. They will love you. And when you try to love them, you cannot love them. You have to follow their instructions, how to love yourself. Then you will start loving all prophets, you will start loving everybody. This is the aim of life on this earth for human being. If you are eating an apple or mango, still you have a desire. But when you become the mango, when you become an apple, then desires will be fulfilled. How to become mango or apple? Do not worry. Moment to learn how to love yourself, you will realize you are mango. You are human being also, you are animals also, you are plants also, you are everything. Therefore I request all of you, do not have any complaint with anyone because they do not know how to love. Just you learn how to love yourself, then you will know how to love others. I am going to give you practice.